Practice Manitoba Class 5 Knowledge Test. Get your license in 2026. Welcome to Road Test Coach. Question 1. This sign means A. No left turn. B. Buses may turn left. C. Do not enter. D. Slow down for the turn. The correct answer is a no left turn.
You can't make a left turn at this intersection.
Question 2. This sign means A. Low overhead clearance. B. Hidden intersection ahead. C. Yield ahead. D. Hazard marker showing an obstruction. The correct answer is D. Hazard marker showing an obstruction. Question 3. This sign means A. Slow traffic, keep right. B. Entering a municipality. C. Prepare to change lanes. D. Keep right of this sign. The correct answer is D. Keep right of this sign. Question 4. This sign means A. Speed limit ahead. B. Maximum speed 60 km/h ahead. C. Reduce speed ahead. D. Trucks must reduce speed ahead. The correct answer is B. Maximum speed 60 km/h ahead. Question 5. This sign means A. Rough road. B. Slippery when wet. C. Ice covered. D. Bump ahead. The correct answer is D. Bump ahead.
Slow down before the bump.
Question 6. This sign means A. Lane ends ahead. B. Two-way traffic ahead. C. One-way traffic ahead. D. Traffic island ahead. The correct answer is D. Traffic island ahead. Question 7. This sign means A. Bridge ahead. B. Low structure clearance ahead. C. Narrow road. D. Narrow bridge. The correct answer is B. Low structure clearance ahead.
Watch your vehicle height. Structure is low.
Question 8. This sign means A. Curves ahead. B. Slippery surface. C. Winding road ahead. D. Icy conditions. The correct answer is C. Winding road ahead.
Several curves are coming. Slow down and steer gently.
Question 9. This sign means A. One way. Proceed in direction of arrow only. B. No turns allowed. C. Right turn lane ahead. D. No backing allowed. The correct answer is a one-way. Proceed in direction of arrow only.
All traffic must travel in the direction of the arrow.
Question 10. This sign means A. Playground corridor. B. Pedestrian corridor. C. School ground corridor. D. School crossing. The correct answer is B. Pedestrian corridor.
Pedestrians have priority. Stop when the lights are flashing.
Question 11. This sign means A. Road merges. B. Construction ahead. C. Barricade ahead. D. Speed limit ahead. The correct answer is C. Barricade ahead.
Road is blocked. You must change direction.
Question 12. This sign means A. Sharp right curve. Truck's maximum speed 40 kilometers per hour. B. Curve in road. C. Sharp turn. D. Sharp right curve. Maximum recommended speed 40 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is D. Sharp right curve. Maximum recommended speed 40 kilometers per hour.
Reduce speed to 40 km per hour for the sharp curve.
Question 13. This sign means A. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead. B. Playground crosswalk ahead. C. Children playing ahead. D. School ahead. The correct answer is A. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead.
Prepare to stop for pedestrians crossing the road.
Question 14. This sign means A. No right turn. B. Trucks only. C. Reserved lane located in median lane. D. No right turn between 8:30–17:30. The correct answer is C. Reserved lane located in median lane.
Middle lane is reserved for special vehicles.
Question 15. This sign means A. Do not enter. B. No right turn during rush hour. C. No right turn. D. Buses may turn right. The correct answer is C. No right turn.
No right turn at any time.
Question 16. This sign means A. Go. B. Yield. C. Speed up. D. Stop. The correct answer is B. Yield.
Slow down and give right of way to pedestrians and other vehicles.
Question 17. This sign means A. One-way traffic. B. No passing allowed. C. Two-way traffic. D. Passing allowed. The correct answer is C. Two-way traffic.
Traffic flows both directions. Be cautious when passing.
Question 18. This sign means A. Icy road. B. Bridge ices. C. Slippery when wet. D. Check brakes. The correct answer is B. Bridge ices.
Bridge freeze first. Slow down.
Question 19. This sign means A. School crosswalk. B. Playground crosswalk ahead. C. Pedestrian crosswalk. D. Construction ahead. The correct answer is C. Pedestrian crosswalk.
Watch for pedestrians crossing.
Question 20. This sign means A. Entering town limits. B. Two-way traffic ahead. C. Turn ahead. D. Road ends. The correct answer is B. Two-way traffic ahead. Halfway there, you're doing awesome. Question 21. This sign means A. Exit lane. B. Buses must turn right. C. All traffic must turn right. D. No right turn. The correct answer is C. All traffic must turn right. Question 22. This sign means A. Road narrows. B. No shoulders. C. Speed zone. D. Narrow bridge ahead. The correct answer is D. Narrow bridge ahead. Question 23. This sign means A. Stop. B. Stop when requested. C. Yield. D. Proceed if safe. The correct answer is a stop.
A full stop is required.
Question 24. This sign means A. Maximum recommended for trucks. B. Maximum speed when slippery. C. Maximum speed when wet. D. Maximum recommended speed on exit 40 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is D. Maximum recommended speed on exit 40 kilometers per hour. Question 25. This sign means A. Right turn only. B. Reserved lane located in curb lane. C. No right turns between 8 o'clock 17:30. D. Truck lane only. The correct answer is B. Reserved lane located in curb lane.
Right curb lane is reserved for special vehicles.
Question 26. This sign means A. Wet roads. B. Slippery when wet. C. Falling rocks. D. Flying stones. The correct answer is D. Flying stones.
Commonly in gravel or chip-sealed road.
Question 27. This sign means A. All traffic must slow down. B. Exit lane. C. All traffic must turn left. D. Buses may turn left. The correct answer is C. All traffic must turn left. Question 28. This sign means A. Passenger vehicles only. B. No bicyclists. C. Buses and cyclists only during designated times. D. Trucks not allowed. The correct answer is C.
During the posted time, only buses and bicycles may enter.
Question 29. This sign means A. Road work. B. Playground area. C. Public gardens ahead. D. Tree plantation ahead. The correct answer is a road work.
Expect construction workers and equipment.
Question 30. This sign means A. Exit ahead. B. Left turning lane ahead. C. Two-way traffic ahead. D. This lane must turn left. The correct answer is D. This lane must turn left.
If you are in this lane, you must turn left.
Question 31. This sign means A. School area ahead. B. Children playing. C. Soccer field ahead. D. Playground ahead. The correct answer is D. Playground ahead.
Slow down, cautious with children nearby.
Question 32. This sign means A. Right turn allowed. B. No right turn on red signal. C. Right turn on red. D. No right turn allowed. The correct answer is B. No right turn on red signal. Question 33. This sign means A. Median ahead. B. Entering a town, city, or village. C. Divided highway begins ahead. D. Road ends ahead. The correct answer is C. Divided highway begins ahead. Question 34. This sign means A. No right turn on Saturday. B. Right turn allowed at any time. C. No stop required for right turn. D. No right turn during the times shown. The correct answer is D. No right turn during the times shown.
Check time window when turning right.
Question 35. This sign means A. All trucks must turn right. B. All buses must turn right. C. Must turn right on Saturday. D. Traffic must turn right during designated times. The correct answer is D. Traffic must turn right during designated times.
Check time window when approaching.
Question 36. This sign means A. No right turn allowed. B. Do not enter. C. No left turn. D. No U-turn allowed. The correct answer is D. No U-turn allowed. Question 37. This sign means A. Detour ahead. B. Road closure. C. No passing. D. Forest fire ahead. The correct answer is a detour ahead.
Follow alternate route.
Question 38. This sign means A. Wildlife sanctuary. B. Deer crossing area ahead. C. Municipal animal pound. D. Provincial park entrance ahead. The correct answer is B. Deer crossing area ahead.
Deer may cross suddenly. Slow down.
Question 39. This sign means A. Maximum speed 90 km per hour. Maximum speed 90 km per hour for trucks only. C. Maximum speed 90 km per hour during weekends. D. No passing allowed. The correct answer is a maximum speed 90 km per hour. Question 40. This sign means A. Speed up. B. Slow down. C. Left lane ends ahead. D. Intersection ahead. The correct answer is C. Left lane ends ahead.
Prepare to merge right when the lane ends.
Great job! You've completed the test. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.